Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the rules of differentiation. How are you going to find the derivatives of the given function? So we have first three rules here: constant rule, power rule, and constant multiple rule. So the first is constant rule. If we're going to find the derivative of a constant, f of x is equal to a constant, or that is y is equal to a constant, the derivatives of this f prime of x is equal to 0, or that is y prime is equals to 0. Y prime or f of x prime is the same as y prime, the derivatives of y in terms of x, derivatives of y, derivatives in terms of x, f prime of x. So that is just the same as first derivatives. Okay, so let's have more example in constant rule. Number 1, f of x is equal to 5. The derivatives of this function, y prime of x is equal to 0. Another, y is equal to 1/2. So the derivatives of y is 0. So always remember, if you're going to find the derivative of a constant, the derivatives is 0. Next rule, power rule. F of x is equal to x raised to n. To find the derivatives of x raised to n, f prime of x is equal to bring down n, then subtract 1 from n. So that is the power rule. So example, the given function is equal to x raised to 4. So the derivatives of y in terms of x is bring down 4, subtract 1 to the exponent, 4 minus 1. So the final answer here is 4x cubed. Another example, the given function is f of x is equal to x raised to 5. So the derivatives of the function f prime of x is equal to bring down 5, subtract 1 to the exponent, 5 minus 1. So the final answer is 5x raised to 4. Okay? Next, constant multiple rule. If the given f of x is equal to a constant times x raised to n, so we have a coefficient greater than 1, just simply multiply the exponent n to the coefficient c times n times x raised to n minus 1. So that's the formula. So example number 1, f of x is equal to 4x cubed. So the derivatives of the function f prime of x is equal to 3 times 4, that is 12, x, subtract 1 to the exponent, so the answer is 12x raised to 2. Another example, example number 2, the given function is y is equal to 5x raised to 2. So the derivatives of the function, derivatives of y in terms of x, is equal to 2 times 5, that is 10. Then subtract 1 to the exponent, 2 minus 1, that will become 1. So the final answer is 10x. The derivatives of 5x squared is 10x. So that is the way how are you going to find the derivative of constant rule, power rule. I hope you understand this lesson. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless to everyone.